No need to be scared.
Well, I am.
Yeah, I guess it's normal to be scared. You're doing something unusual, so.
Is it just you working today?
It's just me.
I think who's doing all the pulling up?
I have to do everything alone.
Victoria Falls, Zambia, Zimbabwe.
Two people here yesterday, three?
Yeah, we normally 10, but everyone else is off today. I'm the only person here.
Do you normally do people you guys? Okay.
We're all coming.
Okay.
There's no way I can do this myself. Really? Woo. Alright, so this is just a backup, man. It's just a backup in case the main one fails, but it doesn't fail. So in case, yeah.
Do you have any suggestions or advice, like what to do, how to act?
Yeah. So we're gonna tie your legs together with an industrial. I'm gonna do that a few minutes.
That is okay.
This is good.
Okay.
So this will go between your legs, attached to the bungee cord as well, together with the main attachment. So in case that one loses, you've got that one to keep it there.
Okay.
Yes. So no worries at all. It's gonna be very, very safe. And that's how you jump. Okay? You don't just fall, like I say, like a Superman.
Alright.
Big swan dive out.
Yesterday, I saw the two girls that went.
Okay.
They were just pushing and they didn't
Well,
jump.
yeah, they didn't jump. That's not good.
So I must jump out far.
Yeah, you kind of bend your knees and push out with your arms out and chin up.
Okay.
Far forward as you can.
Does it do anything to your neck?
Yeah, you relax your neck. Relax your neck. You're gonna get a little whip, but it's not that bad if you jump out. Yeah.
Whip?
Like a whip. A whip. Yeah.
Does it give you half hour playtime at night?
Nah, man. I've been here for more than 10 years and I've done more than 30 jumps. This one's still okay. My heart is
But for
racing
your
well.
first one, weren't you scared?
I was like shooting myself on the head. And you know, after you jump, the worst part is you say, but when you jump out, you don't have control and you just like, okay, wow, this is it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're gonna wait for me to
And
come.
then you're gonna come
here.
up.
Then I have to take that thing in.
Yeah. So yeah.
Alright,
So
let's
more
do it.
guys to come in. Just 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes.
So what should I do with my flag?
Hold the flag.
Number 1.
You might. We'll pick you down with that in the background.
Yeah.
Okay.
Want to be the peak as well? Want to be the peak as well?
I can't believe you're doing this.
I know.
Yeah? Okay. Retina yena masa. Aquero aí da barata. Apoio.
Não vou essa variedade.
A jumpe apoio de plaza fala mesmo. That is so.
Wait, the other side again?
That is so. Wasn't your mouth like? Não yango ngo.
My pants in the air.
Yeah, literally.
Você não lá os caras. Oi, o acano o
We must check at the time, hey? But we should be good on time. Huh?
Yeah.
I'm actually shaking so bad.
Bandaras. Vamos, vamos.
I really hope it doesn't affect my
office.
Yeah.
Okay, it's nearly 10.
We're gonna be fine.
It's nearly 10.
Okay, we still have plenty of time.
Yeah, I'm just telling you.
Right.
I'm going to take lots of you and you must take lots of me. Okay?
Yeah.
Nice one.
You done as well? Can I stop you? Then we'll wait while we get the other one.
Okay. Wait,
But
one
we're
minute.
gonna wait for me until I come.
What's your name?
Whose idea? We trying to convince one another.
Good idea, eh?
Oh, hopefully, yeah.
Yeah? Test as well.
Yes. Yeah, we're not here every day, eh? So we're not here every day.
You promised you would be fine.
Yeah?
Was das der nächste Video?
Oh.
Correct. This number?
Correct. Your name?
Ivan. I-V-A-N.
Yes.
Croatian.
His name?
Yes. Croatia!
Come join, come join. Seven.
Okay, I'm sure we can leave that flag, huh?
Double 7. Yeah,
Let's put it in the bag.
You want to take a picture? Thanks.
Just another question. Should I tense my muscles or relax? Relax. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm jumping like this or like this? Like this. Okay. All the way down. Okay.
Just like that.
Okay, you can video.
Okay.
No, I want to just do a video.
Alright.
The red button.
Alright.
Yes, we're going to bungee jump today. It's involving Victoria Falls.
Let's go.
Where am I going?
Aí.
Cześć.
Backwards.
Hello.
Next apart.
Smile there.
Hello there, how are you doing? Doing well.
First time, I guess.
First time, yes.
Where are you from?
I'm sorry?
Where are you from?
Croatia.
Maybe there's something to say.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm actually paying for doing this.
Yeah, fun.
Hey, it should be fun.
Yeah.
Did you guys anytime had anyone who shit his pants in the air?
Yeah, it happens almost every time, man. So, try not to be one of them.
Alright.
Alright, so like I said, you don't just fall, but dive out as far as you can.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really help avoid the whiplash, and it keeps you away from the bungee cord so it doesn't hit you. Yeah, so big jump out, a huge one that.
Okay.
And then one of our guys will quickly join you down there and bring you back up.
Okay.
Yes. Awesome. Good to go. Swing your legs around. You know, hop like a kangaroo. Trust me. He comes.
Oh my god.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Very good. So one last smile before you jump. Your thumbs up.
Oh.
You good there?
So you say your arms have to be
Strong. Yeah, strong.
I think I'm more picture one than you.
No, you're not.
Check 1.
2.
3 and check 4.
Check.
And check 5.
All right, just get your toes on the edge. A little bit more, a little bit more. Go for a bit more. Nice. So you're looking up and arms out, very strong. Now you get ready.
Arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, punch.
Fuck the coronavirus! Oh my god. Oh. Whew.
Hey, how you feel?
I don't know. I'm happy I'm alive, eh?
You just relax. Relax.
Woo. Oh.
Yeah, what's your name and where you're from?
Oh, where should I hold? Here. Oh.
Hey, how was that?
Oh, it was awesome. Looks more scary than it is, eh? Oh.
Okay, follow the line, let's start, press stop. Very lucky.